Leo and Lina ate ice cream, morning, afternoon, and night. But what if this ice cream wasn't what it looked like? This is the story of two kids, and the smartest food trick their parents ever used. Leo and Lina loved ice cream. Morning ice cream, afternoon ice cream, nighttime ice cream, sunny days, rainy days, ice cream every single time. They loved chocolate. They loved vanilla. They loved strawberry with extra sprinkles. And when they wanted ice cream, they sang their favorite song, "Ice cream time, ice cream time." That was the problem. When their mother placed apples on the table, Leo shook his head. When bananas appeared, Lina pushed the plate away. "No fruit," Lina said.
Ice cream.
"Ice cream," Leo replied. At lunch, their father tried mangoes. "Only if it's ice cream," Leo said.
And in a bowl.
"And in a bowl," Lina added. At the mall, things were worse. The moment Leo and Lina saw the ice cream shop, their feet stopped moving. Then plop, they sat on the floor. "I want ice cream! Please! Now!" People stared. Someone laughed. Their mother sighed and bought ice cream. And when the ice cream truck passed their street, oh dear, Leo and Lina could hear it from far away. They cried. They begged. They cried some more. They could cry all day until their parents had no choice. That night, after the children were asleep, Mom and Dad whispered, "This can't continue," Dad said.
Refuse everything else.
"They refuse everything else," Mom replied. They thought quietly. Then Mom smiled. "What if," she said, "we don't stop the ice cream?" Dad blinked.
But change it?
"But change it?" The next afternoon, Leo and Lina ran into the kitchen. "Ice cream time," they sang. Their mother smiled calmly. "Yes," she said, "ice cream." Their eyes grew wide. She scooped colorful, creamy ice cream into bowls. Pink, yellow, purple. Leo took a bite.
Wow!
"Wow!"
This is the best
Lina
ice
clapped.
cream
"This is the
ever."
best ice cream ever." They ate happily. "More?" they asked. Their parents nodded. The next day, it happened again. "Special ice cream?" Leo asked. "Yes," Mum said, smiling. They ate it in the morning. They ate it in the afternoon. They had a tiny bowl at night. "This ice cream makes me fast," Leo said. "I don't feel tired anymore." Lina laughed. Days passed. The ice cream came in different colors, different flavors. When the ice cream truck passed, Leo and Lina waved instead of crying. "Ice cream time," they still sang, but without tears. One evening,
Mom?
Lina tilted her head. "Mom?" "Yes, dear?" "Why does this ice cream make my tummy feel happy?" Mom smiled.
Special.
"Because it's special." Leo nodded seriously. "Magic ice cream." At the end of the week, Mom and Dad sat them down. "We have a secret," Dad said. Leo and Lina leaned forward. "That ice cream you love," Mom said gently, "is made from fruits." Silence.
Fruits?
"Fruits?" Leo whispered. Lina looked at her bowl. "No way," Dad laughed. "Bananas, strawberries, mangoes, blended and frozen." Leo's mouth dropped open. Lina checked the bowl again. "So, we were eating fruit?" Lina asked.
Yes.
"Yes," Mom smiled. Leo grinned. "That means fruit
That
isn't
means
boring."
fruit isn't boring.
Lina laughed.
And ice cream.
"And ice cream doesn't have to be too much." From that day on, things changed. Fruit became fun. Ice cream became a sometimes treat. Tantrums disappeared. And whenever Leo and Lina ate their fruit ice cream, they laughed
Best trick
and said,
ever.
"Best trick ever?" Storytime questions. Let's think together. Question 1. Why did Leo and Lina cry when they saw fruits? Answer: because they only wanted ice cream and thought fruits were boring. Question 2. What was the secret about the special ice cream? Answer: it was made from fruits like bananas, strawberries, and mangoes. Question 3. What did Leo and Lina learn at the end of the story? Answer: that fruits can be fun and tasty, and treats are best in balance. Well done, children. See you in the next story. The end.